anti-zone, gagamit muna ng Winter Crown. And the damage is real. Actually, tinatamaan pa rin. Ang damage ay nanggagaling sa likod. Bang, 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 bang! Pinabato-bato sila. And look at that, going straight for the base na. And mula noon hanggang ngayon, ginto pa rin para sa Pilipinas.
Gold medal secured para sa Sibol. Team Philippines ang mananaig kontra Malaysia in a dominant 4-0 sweep. At kitang-kita ang saya sa Sibol ngayon kasama ang kanilang coach na si Coach RC, and that was a good game. Well played against our Malaysian counterparts. Live in Thailand 2025, you could see the sportsmanship between the two countries, between the two players, between all of the players involved dito sa labang ito. Naging dominating man ang performance ng Pilipinas kontra Malaysia. Karespe-respeto pa rin ang pinakitang effort ng kanilang